Digital Whiteboards. Supercharge your collaborative learning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of technology, focusing on digital whiteboards and brainstorming tools. Ever wondered how to amplify your group study sessions using the latest tech tools? Stick around as we unpack this for you. Digital whiteboards, often referred to as interactive whiteboards, are tools that allow multiple users to write, draw, or annotate on a shared screen. Unlike traditional whiteboards, these tools enable real-time collaboration, making them a go-to choice for online study groups. 1. Real-time collaboration. Multiple people can interact with the board simultaneously. 2. Access from anywhere. No need to be in the same physical space. 3. Easy to use. Most platforms are user-friendly with intuitive interfaces. 4. Enhanced features. Beyond just writing or drawing, you can usually upload files, videos, or links. 5. Preservation. Your notes or diagrams won't be erased. You can save and revisit them anytime. When choosing a digital tool for brainstorming, consider the following. 1. Simultaneous editing. Can many users edit at the same time? 2. Accessibility. Is it easy to access from various devices? 3. Customizability. Can you adjust the board to your preference? 4. Sharing options. How easy is it to share your board with others? 5. Cost. Some tools are free, while others might require a subscription. 1. Set clear objectives. Know what you aim to achieve with your session. 2. Assign roles. Not everyone should write on the board. Decide who will be the main annotator, and who will be brainstorming. 3. Stay organized. Keep the board neat. Use different colors or layers for various tasks. 4. Be respectful. Remember, it's a collaborative space. Respect others' inputs and avoid overwriting. 5. Review regularly. At intervals, take a step back and review what has been discussed or noted. We've just scratched the surface of digital whiteboards and brainstorming tools. As we wrap up, remember that the key to effective collaborative learning lies in open communication and leveraging the right tools. We hope this video empowers you to take your group study sessions to the next level. Happy studying!